Yes, it doesn't matter how large the number is that we're given. If we want to know if it's divisible by 10, all we do is look at that last digit in the number. If it's a 0, then we know that the whole number is divisible by 10. We know this because we've had lots of experience, lots of opportunity to learn this. What about other rules for other numbers? What about a number divisible by 1? Well, all numbers are divisible by 1, so that's all too easy. Divisible by 2. Again, we're very comfortable with this one. We know that if the number, no matter how large, is an even number, then it's divisible by 2. Remember, even numbers are the numbers that end with either a 2, a 4, 6, 8, or 0. Divisible by 3. This is an easy one as well. Did you know that no matter how large the number, all you need to do is add all of the digits together? When you've added them all up, if the sum of the digits is either a 3, a 6, or a 9, then yes, your number will be divisible by 3. Just in case you're not getting this one, let's have a look at an example. 516. We add the 5 to the 1, add 6, and our answer is 12. If this number is divisible by 3, then so is the first number. If you're still not sure whether 12 is divisible by 3, take a next step and add the 1 and the 2, and you'll see that it equals 3. So yes, 516 is divisible by 3. Divisible by 4? Well, again, we already know the hint here that it has to be an even number, but did you know that you only need to take the last 2 digits, no matter how big the number is? Take the last 2 digits and see if that number is divisible by 4. Let's take the number 316. We take the last 2 digits, so that's the number 16. Is 16 divisible by 4? It sure is. So the whole number will be divisible by 4. Divisible by 5. Again, this is an easy one. It doesn't matter how large the number, we just need to look at the last digit. If it's a 5 or if it's a 0, then we know, don't we, that this number is divisible by 5. 6. We don't need a calculator for this one. It's really quite easy. The rules, just like we have with the 3, but there's one extra now. It has to be an even number, and then the sum of the digits will either be a 3, a 6, or a 9. And then yes, that large number is divisible by 6. 7. This is the tricky one. Now, if you can come up with an answer that's as easy as all of the others have been, then I think you've made it as a mathematician. The best one that we've been able to come up with to date, and I'm not going to read it for you, you read through now and just see, this is the closest we've come to an easy answer for divisible by 7. It's too crazy. Let's move on to one that we can do. Divisible by 8. The number made by the last 3 digits will be divisible by 8. So take those last 3 digits, divide by 2 again, and by 2 again, and you'll see if that large number is divisible by 8. 9. 9's a really easy one. You just add all of the numbers together, so the sum of all the digits, and they will add to 9. Let's just check this one out. Try 78,120. 7, add 8, add 1, add 2, add 0, and our answer is 18. Is 18 divisible by 9? Yes. Or add these numbers if you're not sure. 1 add 8 equals 9. So yes, the number 78,120 is divisible by 9. So, divisibility rules. If you're not sure, then go back and watch this again.